If you are looking for a gentle sleep training method for your baby, then you landed on the right video. Today we are going to talk about the pick up, put down method. My name is Missy Yondo. I'm the owner of Slumber and Bloom. I'm a certified pediatric sleep consultant and potty training coach. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a video. So today we are talking about the pick up, put down method. So if you've heard of the pick up, put down method, then you know that it is a very gradual sleep training method for young babies. Now we are going to talk about the who and we're going to talk about the how. First, we're talking about who. This is for babies younger than 6 months old. So if your baby is older than 6 months old, then go check out this video over here. But definitely if your baby is younger than 6 months old, then stay here and we will talk about this pick up, put down sleep training method. So basically, the pick up, put down sleep training method is pretty much exactly what it sounds like. You are going to be picking up and putting down your child until they fall asleep. Now, the point in this method is that you are right there next to your child as he or she is falling asleep, but every time your child cries, you are responding to that cry with contact, with physical bodily contact with your child by picking them up and holding them until they are calm. You are not holding your child until they fall asleep, but you are holding them until they calm down, and then you're putting them right back down in their crib. So first things first, you need to make sure that you have a solid and consistent bedtime routine. Once your routine is over, you need to make sure that your child is drowsy, they're ready to sleep, they don't have to be like drifting off to sleep yet, but you want them tired. You want your child tired and ready to fall asleep. So then what you're gonna do next is put your baby down in the crib. So they're still awake, but they're drowsy, they're ready to fall asleep, and they're going to do so independently. However, if your baby cries when you put him or her down in the crib, you pick them up, you comfort them, you soothe them. As soon as they're calm, you put them right back down. Now you may be repeating this process of up, down, for 5 to 10 minutes. You might be doing this for a couple hours. The most I've really seen this have to kind of go on for on night 1 of sleep training is maybe 2 hours. So have kind of like go into it with those expectations, like give or take, it might take a long time on that first night. But 9 times out of 10, by the time you're on that second night, it's going so much faster and so much more smooth. Your child's just learning something new, and obviously they're very young, and it's going to take a while to learn and pick up on this process 100%. Over time, you're gonna practice leaving the room after you put your baby down for that initial bedtime. So what you're gonna do after maybe 3 or 4 nights, your baby's starting to get the hang of it. It can be after a week or 2, but I do not recommend dragging this out very long. So what you want to do is do your bedtime routine, put your baby down, and then walk out of the room. And if your baby starts crying, use your discretion. If you wanna give it 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, however long you wanna give your child to learn that self-soothing skill without you going in to pick him or her up, then go ahead and do that. Stick to it consistently all night long, but make sure that you're just going in, you're picking up, you're comforting, the baby's calming down, you're putting the baby down, you exit the room again, and repeat. So a lot of sleep training is just repeat, 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 repeat. You need to make sure you're being consistent. That is my favorite word ever, is just consistent. So, I mean, I know I make it sound easy as pie, but it really is fairly easy. All you have to do is make sure that you have the stamina to repeat this process all night long, because what you do at bedtime, you need to do throughout the entire night. Now, let's talk about naps. You can 110% use this method for naps. However, I don't really recommend doing this for all naps all day. I recommend trying it for 1 nap first thing in the morning, their very first nap. So it's gonna be around 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning, and you can try the pick up, put down method. However, I don't want your baby getting overtired, because naps are not going to be consistent until your baby is 6 months old. So you can expect some short naps, some long naps. Naps are gonna be all over the place and they're gonna be inconsistent. So you have to kind of expect that. It goes with the territory of having a younger baby. but you can still practice and you can still work on independent sleep skills. Now, if you've been working on pick up, put down for 30 to 60 minutes for that first nap, I want you to just throw in the towel for nap. We don't throw in the towel at bedtime or overnight, but I want you to stick to it for 30 to 60 minutes, and then you can decide how you want to put your baby to sleep. It's all about practice at this age, so practice makes perfect. Give your child the opportunity to fall asleep. They might surprise you, you never know, but that's pretty much the gist of it. So lots of picking up, lots of putting down. You're gonna get really strong. Your muscles are going to be put to work. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you need a one-on-one consultation, check out the link down below. Set up a free consultation with me. I would love to see how I can help your family sleep through the night. Check out my other videos over here if you need more help with sleep training, and keep blooming. Mwah!